Thank you for filming me and not offering me water, you asshole.
So seals and sea lions have been known to appear on the track, so we have to keep an eye out for those seals and sea lions. Also, we want to keep our eyes peeled for a kiwi bird. There have been sightings on Te WHARAWHARA. How's your throat? It is 9:45 in the morning here, our first day in Stewart Island, waking up to fine weather. We are catching a boat in about 15 minutes that leaves from Golden Bay, and we are going to Alva Island. The te reo name for that is Te WHARAWHARA. Alva Island is a open bird sanctuary. It's part of the WHARAWHARA National Park. There were lots of problems with rats and rodents and stuff like that. Back in '93, they were eating up it wasn't just a threat to the birds, but to the plant life as well, because they would eat seeds and seedlings, as well as chicks and eggs and all that. So from '93, they began an initiative to wipe out the entire rat population. There were thousands of them. And they achieved that in 1997. Alva Island is completely predator free.
But they have to check for rats every so often because rats can swim up to
700 meters.
Yeah, so they could actually swim from here to Alva Island.
But that being said, they put rat traps all over the island. So what we have over here is one of the poison blocks. There's poison in the middle of that little
The island
tube.
boys.
They're the island boys. They're gonna eat the poison block. 'Cause I'm an island boy. 'Cause I'm an island boy. I eat a poison block. This is what they use to kill off all the rats. And they even have these dog searching teams that'll sniff out the rats, because they average at least one rat will make it to the island every year. With 10 minutes to spare, we arrived at the Golden Bay Wharf to board the Alva Island ferry. There she is. Oh, cool. Thank you. Look at these boarding passes. How cute.
My name's Matthew and I'll be taking you across the Golden Bay again.
We're getting on a private boat. We've got our own little boat. Look at that.
Welcome.
Thank you. Sweet as.
We have just too many for the bigger boat.
Yeah.
Yeah, I might just wait in case there's anybody else running slightly late. That one takes about 15 minutes, this one takes about 5.
Wow.
Oh, wow, yeah.
All right, there you go. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
All right.
Thanks.
Thank you. See ya. Watch out for the slippery green stuff, Ling.
Great looking water.
Ling and I had our own private chartered ferry. We left after the first ferry left. Look, they're still down there, making their way across. We got a head start on the game. Let's go. It's like Amazing Race. Oh, Canada.
What a sassy looking mouse.
Including
Pee.
we got the pee.
There's a fat bee somewhere.
Look at this. Legally, you could write messages on this leaf, as you can see right there, and post it to people up until the 1970s, where they made it illegal. I guess because it's plant life and you can't have this stuff circulating the world.
Yeah.
It basically feels kind of like tough paper.
Oh, it's over there.
Is that a tomtit or a saddleback?
Might be a saddleback.
Oh, it's a saddleback. Oh my goodness. The first time seeing a saddleback. I never thought I'd be so excited to see a bird. These guys aren't as timid as kiwi birds. They'll come right up to you. In addition to the kiwi bird, the weka, alongside the moa, are one of the many birds that kind of evolved over time to just lose their wings because they were the niche apex predator for the longest time. There were no endemic mammals that could pick off the birds, so over time, through just evolution, birds lived in harmony without any fear of any predatory animals. So with the introduction of the predatory animals, the stoats, the ferrets, rats, cats, dogs, and all that, all of a sudden these birds became endangered. So now New Zealand's really putting forward an initiative to protect them make sure that their numbers don't die out. That's why you have places like Alva Island. Cause I'm an island boy, I got my best on ya. I'm an island boy, island boy.
I'm an island boy. I'm gonna get you white wine.
I'm an island boy.
God, I hate it. Number 1.
Here we are at the junction. Okay, Boulder Beach. Let's go. Wait, Ling's talking.
Thank you. Wow, you actually. What doesn't mean you're actually gonna listen.
Go.
The rhubarb-looking plant is the rare puni.
Puni?
No, punui.
That's the sound of my favorite named bird, kaka. Kaka. That's not what my kaka sounds like.
God, I hope not. I hope it doesn't chirp.
Seeds. Seeds. Did you fart?
No.
No, the weka.
Is that the weka?
Yeah. Look, the mom's coming with the 2 chicks.
Wait, so if there's 2 chicks here, who's
Look
knocking?
at them. Oh, look. The mom found them some food. They're so fuzzy and cute. And they ran and he fed them. What a strong beak. Look at that.
Oh!
Oh, look at that. I just flipped this rock over and already these guys found like 3 worms. What's under there? Why not? Look, dude, there's so many crabs here. Look, it's a feast. Feast for you. Which bird are you? Which bird are you?
I think it's the robin.
The Stewart Island robin. That's you, hey. You're the robin.
He has a little white patch on his head.
Yeah. Alrighty then, so that's it. We've covered the entire trail of Alva Island, and so now we're just gonna wait for the boat to leave in about 20 minutes time, so we're gonna have our lunchki. Got ham, cheese, mesclun, mustard, and butter.
Avo.
And avo. And capsicum. Let's go.
Selfie with the weka.
There you go.